Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Reef Finance, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price prediction of Reef Finance. What's the price? What's the price changes over in the Reef? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Reef Finance. Now guys, the changes occur in the Reef Finance is completely going in the loss. Negative 16.66%. The price decrease, the price dumps. And if you look, the highest price of Reef Finance was 0.02769 USD dollar. That is the highest price of Reef Finance. You can see here, guys, if you study a price chart of Reef Finance, so jump again, price jump. And you can see here, if I zoom the latest only 14 September chart, so today changes is going positive. I think you can see here that is a right now situation. I think that in a right now situation they start jumps, and if they start jumps, so I'm also believe that they continue this jump for a long time. Continue this jump for a long time, guys. Anyways, guys, the right now price is about 0.023308 USD dollar. Now there is a good news for all of you, especially for Reef Finance holders, that in the right now situation they start jumping, and I hope, guys, that for a long time Reef Finance will continue this jump. So guys, be alert, be safe from loss. Don't decide to sell in a right now situation. Just hold it if you want to profit. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.